Shrika sleepy.
She says being born is hard work.
So do you think she breast?
You know, I think she's gonna be okay. What do you guys think up there?
What?
She was a fat baby, right?
She's a little baby. I can hold her.
Yeah, you can hold her.
Yeah,
Sure.
hard to say.
She's a big baby and small baby.
She's a
big baby.
Yeah, she's.
Otherwise, looks like a healthy placenta and cord.
She's a quiet baby.
Yeah, she's breathing.
Yeah, she's a quiet baby.
She's pink. Look how pink she
Yeah,
is.
she's super pink.
Yeah.
I totally agree with you.
She has a little chin.
She does, doesn't she?
She's not.
She's got a good
doing
grip
much
though.
crying, but
Look how tight her grip is.
you're a big sister. You're a big sister.
You're a big sister now. Oh, she's 8.5.
We haven't weighed her yet.
Oh, okay, okay.
We should.
The last patient, she was so funny. She kept trying to lift her own leg and she almost kicked me.
I don't have.
Oh, I'll get some more blankets.
So then turn the light off a little bit and see if it makes it look a little bit.
I didn't see her yet. Does she look like Vinny?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, you're just
But she's much fatter than Vinny
She's
was.
a big girl.
Yeah, she's big.
How heavy is her?
We don't know yet. We haven't weighed her yet, but we're gonna do that very soon and we'll let you know.
What happened to mommy?
She's fine, sweetie. She's a fat baby.
Fine. I just had a baby. Look at Rita, don't look at mommy.
She's starting to open her eyes. See, she's starting to open her eyes.
Is she in preschool? Yeah, so she spends a lot of time in English.
That's my
Yeah,
baby.
she's got big cheeks, doesn't she? She's got really big cheeks.
And she's really pink, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
4 years old. She sounds just
She's
fine.
very pink.
Yeah.